Welcome back, guys, and welcome to our new SVG U virtual training course on federal government contracting. We got the prime contractor, the subcontractor, and the expert in the industry, Doug Reitmeyer with GC Experts on the federal government contracting business. In this new course, you're going to learn how to get set up, registered, and certified to do business with the federal government. Number two, you're going to learn how to win those federal government bids. And finally, we're going to take you to an actual build site in San Francisco, California, and show you the step-by-step process of a cedar shingle roof on a historic landmark building and the protocol and procedures of working with that facility manager, the federal government, making sure this project gets approved and you get paid. See you soon.